Finding the right products for natural hair can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Today, I am sharing the best products to keep your routine simple, affordable, and effective. Hi, my name is Lita and welcome to Natural Hair Motivation. On this channel, we talk about natural hair in a deeper, more empowering way. It's not just about products, it is about mindset, consistency, and love. Last week, I showed you how to create a minimalist natural hair routine that saves you time and money while still giving your hair the love it deserves. If you haven't seen that video yet, the link is in the description so you can watch it after this one. Today, let's talk about the products that work best in a minimalist routine. The key is to choose multifunctional products that really work. They should hydrate, protect, and nourish your hair without taking over your entire bathroom shelf. And if you already have a few favorites that make your routine simple, share them with us in the comments. We would all love to know what is working for you. The first step in any good routine is cleansing. Your cleanser should remove buildup, dirt, and sweat without stripping your hair of its natural moisture. For a gentle cleanse, you can try a sulfate-free shampoo like She Moisture Curl and Shine Shampoo, Alafia Everyday Coconut Shampoo, or Kami Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. If you prefer something even softer, a co-wash can be a great option. A co-wash is a cleansing conditioner. The As I Am Coconut Co-Wash and Eden Body Works Coconut She Cleansing Co-Wash are both popular choices. These products work because they clean effectively without drying out natural hair, leaving it ready to soak up moisture. Next comes hydration, the heart of your routine. A good leave-in conditioner keeps your hair soft, hydrated, and easy to detangle. Some wonderful options are Kinky Curly Not Today, Kami Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk, or TGIN Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In. If you like DIY solutions, you can make your own by mixing aloe vera juice with a few drops of your favorite oil. Hydration is what keeps your hair manageable and healthy, so this step is one you don't want to skip. Once your hair is moisturized, it is time to lock that moisture in. To keep that moisture, oils and butters are perfect for this. Lightweight oils like jojoba, grapeseed oil are great if you don't want a greasy feel. Olive oil is another good choice. Coconut oil can also be good for you because it penetrates the hair shaft, giving extra strength. If you prefer something richer, raw shea butter, mango butter, or whipped shea butter blends can help seal in moisture and protect your hair from dryness. Deep conditioning is not something you have to do every wash day, but adding it once or twice a month can make a big difference, especially if you have high porosity or damaged hair. Some great deep conditioners are Mild Babaso Oil and Mint Deep Conditioner, TGIN, Honey Miracle Hair Mask, or Eden Body Works Jojoba Deep Conditioner. Think of this step as a spa day for your hair. It is an extra dose of love and strength. If you want to define your curls or hold your protective styles in place, a styling gel or a cream can help. Eco Styler Olive Oil Gel and Jackie's Flaxseed Gel give good hold without too much crunch. If you prefer creams, try Kentu Coconut Curling Cream or the main choice Tropical Moringa Cream for softer styles. Finally, if you want to simplify Even further, you can use a single product that does it all. Moisturizes, styles, and seals. She Moisture, Curl Enhancing Smoothie or Chemet Biologics, Amla, and Olive Heavy Cream are great examples. You can also whip up your own shea butter, blend at home with a mix of oils. If you love keeping things really simple and natural, you can even make your own products. Use apple cider vinegar or African black soap as a cleanser, aloe vera gel for moisture, and seal with any oil of your choice. These options are affordable and let you control exactly what goes into your products. If you only want the bare minimum, here's what I recommend starting with. A cleanser, like She Moisture, Curl and Shine Shampoo or As I Am Co-Wash. A leave-in conditioner like Kinky Curly Not Today. And oil like jojoba or olive oil. And if you want to treat your hair, a deep conditioner and a styling gel or cream can be added as needed. Remember these 3 things when choosing products. Look for products that do more than one job. That way, you need fewer bottles. Choose natural, nourishing ingredients and avoid heavy silicones, parabens, and sulfates. Start with a small selection, see how your hair responds, and adjust over time. I hope this helps you choose the right products for your minimalist hair routine. The goal is not to use fewer products just for the sake of it. It is to keep things simple and effective so you can focus on loving and enjoying your natural hair. Feel free to ask questions if you have in the comments. I want you to have the healthiest, happiest hair possible. Remember, your hair is not a problem to fix, it is a part of you to nurture. Protect it, love it, and be consistent. You are beautiful and your hair is a reflection of that. I will see you in my next video. Take care, my beautiful ladies.